Hello everyone, Dave Hahn here. I'm going to talk to you about how to get your Excel data sets or tables, anything long, to fit onto one sheet after you convert it to a PDF. So right here I'm looking at a typical Excel sheet. It's going kind of long horizontally, and when this student created the PDF, this happened. You can see the Excel sheet here, and when it got converted to a PDF, it went from one page to 1, 2, and 3 pages. So to get it to fit under one page very easily, all you need to do here is just go down here to the lower right hand corner, these 3 little icons here for normal, page layout, and page break. Click on page break and you will see the size of your printed sheets here divided by dotted lines. So this would be page 1, this would be page 2, this would be page 3. And we can see that our table was split between 3 pages. To get it all onto one page, just go to this dotted line here, click and drag it out to the edge. Now everything will fit onto one page. And to make sure, I'm going to go back to my normal view here, and you can see the print preview line, the dotted line here. I can go to File and go to Print, and I can see that it is now on one page. So that's how you do it. So it really is that easy. Once you are in your Excel workbook, just go down here and click on this page break, and you can see where your page breaks are, and you can move the blue lines to adjust. Hope this helps.